This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Headlight bulb replacement. Pull the hood release lever located below the steering column. Push the hood safety latch to the side, then raise the hood. Open the trunk and remove the floor mat. Then unscrew the large nut and remove the trunk floor panel. Remove the spare tire or air compressor as applicable. Loosen the cable bolt from the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Turn the bulb cover counterclockwise to unlock it, then pull it from the headlight housing. Disconnect the electrical connector from the headlight bulb. Reach in and turn the headlight bulb counterclockwise and withdraw the bulb from the housing. The bulb is integrated into the bulb holder as one piece. Making sure to avoid touching the bulb surface with your fingers, install the new headlight bulb into the housing. Align the lugs when inserting, then twist the bulb clockwise to secure it. Reconnect the electrical connector. Install the bulb cover onto the housing, making sure it seats completely. Then twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Attach the negative cable to the battery and tighten the bolt securely. Set the air compressor or spare tire into place. Install the floor panel and tighten the nut securely, then lay the floor mat in place.